25. You can repel dust with dryer sheets. It's true. Cleaning your dusty surfaces with these bad boys will actually protect the surface from dust in the future. Static electricity rocks. 24. Put distilled white vinegar in a plastic bag and cover your shower head with it. Leave it overnight and wipe away the grime in the morning. 23. Fill your blackened pan with a shallow layer of water and add 1 cup of white vinegar. Let it warm up on the stove for a few minutes and then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda once you take it off. Try scrubbing it now. 22. It may sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people don't think of cleaning their blender. Fill it with warm soapy water, blend, and voila! Clean as new. 21. By throwing a pillowcase over each individual fan blade, then pulling it off, the dust will actually get trapped inside the pillowcase rather than falling onto the floor. 20. Next time you want to clean away the grime in your shower/bathtub, just cut a grapefruit in half and sprinkle some salt on it. Get your tub a little wet and pour a little bit of salt in it as well. Scrub using the grapefruit halves and rinse for a clean, citrusy freshness. 19. To polish up your silverware, real silver, not fake, take some tinfoil and line a large pan. Fill it with hot water, 1/2 cup of salt, and 1/2 cup of baking soda. Give it 30 minutes and then dry them off. Look how shiny! 18. After cooking, turn off your grill and place some damp towels over it. Close the lid and let the remaining heat steam clean the surface. 17. Although buying new sponges won't normally bust your budget, if you don't have time to run to the store, just toss your sponge in the microwave for a couple of minutes. When it comes out, 99% of the germs will be dead. 16. All it takes to get rid of stains on your glass bakeware is a little scrubbing with a ball of aluminum foil that's covered in a little dish soap. 15. Cleaning your oven is as easy as leaving a bowl filled with a 1/2 cup of ammonia in it overnight. Don't turn it on! In the morning, you can just wipe away the grime. 14. Cleaning a coffee grinder by hand can hurt, and usually putting it in the dishwasher doesn't work too well either. Instead, use it to grind up some uncooked white rice to remove the odors. Afterward, grind up 1 tablespoon of baking soda and wipe it clean. 13. Next time you get oil splattered all over your stovetop, just add a few drops of vegetable oil to a paper towel and wipe down the greasy surface. Now it's oil-free. 12. Even your dishwasher will need a cleaning sometimes. How? Just leave a bowl filled with white vinegar in the top rack and run it on the hottest possible cycle. Now, spread a little bit of baking soda on the bottom and run it on another hot cycle. It doesn't need to be as long this time. Let the dishwashing resume. 11. By using an old sock dipped in a bit of water and white vinegar, you can easily clean and dust the nooks and crannies of your house. It's especially good for cleaning window blinds. 10. Next time you get a horrendous stain on your carpet, fear not. Fill a spray bottle with water and vinegar at a 2-to-1 ratio. Spray the spot and then lay a damp rag over it. Run a hot iron with a steam setting over the rag for about 1 minute. If it's a really bad stain, it might take a bit longer, but eventually the carpet will be stain-free. 9. Getting vomit on your carpet quite literally stinks, but there is an effective hack for this as well. Mix baking soda with water so you have a pasty substance. Spread the mixture on the vomit so that it completely covers the mess. Let it sit overnight and then vacuum it up in the morning. 8. All you need to do to pick up all the shards of broken glass is press a piece of bread over the area. That's about as hassle-free as it gets. 7. To turn back time on leather furniture, use some shoe polish and all those markings will be no more. 6. Cleaning an air vent uses the same idea as the super sock from number 11, except thinner. Put a moist rag over a knife, spray it with a cleaner, and now you can get between the cracks. 5. A rubber squeegee will bring up even the most stubborn of pet hairs from your living room carpet. 4. Got your shoes all soaked from the rain or a puddle? Just stuff them with newspapers and a small bag of uncooked rice. They'll be dry in no time. 3. It doesn't matter where the grease stain is, walls, clothes, etc. This works everywhere. Just cover the stain with chalk and then after a few minutes wipe the chalk away with a moist towel. Look, it's grease-free. 2. You may have never thought that you could clean your mattress, But you would have been wrong. Just fill a spray bottle with vodka, yes, vodka, and spray it lightly across the sleeping surface. After it air dries, it will have removed any odors and killed most of the bacteria. 1. Possibly the most annoying household task, unclogging drains, just got a whole lot easier. Put 4 Alka-Seltzer tablets and 1 cup of distilled vinegar down the drain. After 10 minutes, rinse out the mixture with boiling water. Enjoying our lists? Be sure to click that subscribe button in the top right corner so you don't miss out on new ones every Monday through Friday. Share them with your friends and help us consistently conciliate curiosity. And if you want even more lists, check out these 2 videos here, or just head to our website at list25.com.